Welcome back to Python tutorials. I'm Venkat. This is part 2, installing Python and its IDE. So if you want to set up the environment for Python development, first we need to install the Python framework. After installing Python, we need to install the IDEs or editors for writing the code. So we can use two editors, pycharm or Visual Studio Code. So we can use any one of these two. These two are very easy to use, popular. So there are other editors also we can use. So in this tutorial, we are going to use pycharm. So let us install the Python first, then IDE. For that, so open your Google and search for install Python. And you can get the first link like download Python from python.org. Click on that. You can see download Python button in yellow color. Click on that. The Python will be downloaded. And you can click on this Python file, exe file. You can click on this install now. So you can see this, use admin privileges for this, add python.exe to path variables. Okay, install now. Yes, setup was successful, then close it. If you want online tutorial or documentation, you can click on these links, otherwise you can click close. So downloading Python framework and installing is completed. Okay, so now let us install the Python editor or IDE. Okay, so go to Google and search for pycharm. Okay, so click on the first link, which is from JetBrains. I'm clicking on this and you can see pycharm. Close. You can see there is a page opened for pycharm download. So here it is showing full flagged professional or free community edition. So click on this download button. So here you can see pycharm professional. So it is a paid version of it. So if you want to use the professional edition, you have to pay something. So otherwise you can go for pycharm community edition. It is completely free edition for developers. For learners or students, if you want any free edition, you can download this pycharm community edition. Let us download this. I'm clicking on download for Windows. So download started. The download is completed. Click on this exe file. Click on S. Click on next. Next. You can select this, add open folder as project. Also you can select to create desktop shortcut. So add bin folder to the path. Select that, create associations with .py files. Click on next, install. The setup is completed. So you can reboot it now or you can reboot it later. So I want to manually reboot later and clicking on finish. So with this, the setup is completed. So we have installed Python framework first, then IDE to write the code. And these two things, once these two things are done, then environment setup for Python is completed. In the next video, let us write our first Python program. If you feel this video is useful, please like and share so that YouTube will recommend this video to many people. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. Thank you.